My cigar smoke mixed with the smoke of my 38. If business was as good as my aim, I'd be on Easy Street. Instead, I've got an office on 49th Street. Yeah, that's me, Tracer Bullet. I've got 8 slugs in me. One's lead and the rest are bourbon. The drink packs a wallop and I pack a revolver. I'm a private eye. Suddenly, my door swung open like a hurricane, and in walked Trouble.
Hi, my name's Gina Harlow. I hear you're the best.
Is that what you hear? What brings you to my neck of the woods?
There's been a murder.
So what else is new?
Here's a picture of her. Her name is, or was, Betty Jones. She was a
pushy dame, but she had a case.
You have to help me.
That's why I'm here, so who did it?
Well, I'm almost positive I know who it was.
Well, spit it out, will ya?
Well, around here, he goes by the name Don Knotts.
Don Knotts?
You know him?
All too well. He was my partner for about 15 years. And then about 5 years ago, his wife and kid was murdered by some guy we put in jail. He was seeking revenge. After that, Don went south. Couldn't keep it together. Went a little loony. I haven't seen him since.
You think you can handle it?
There isn't a case I can't handle. I'm on the job. I stayed at the office for a little while, discussing the case. After that, I went for a ride. It's hard making a living in Hell's Kitchen. There's no one you can trust except for you and your gun. Don was a crazy man on the edge. When we were partners, there wasn't a crime we couldn't solve, except for the one who killed his family. That's probably what made him lose it. If I know Don, which I do, he's probably at the bar. Don Knotts?
Tracer Bullet. How long's it been? 4 or 5 years?
I'm not here on chit-chat, Don. I'm here on business.
Okay.
Alright. I hear you've been getting your hands a little dirty.
What are you trying to say?
Trying to say you killed someone.
Would I kill someone, Tracer? You know we've done that.
Recognize this picture?
Can't say.
Her name's Betty Jill, but I think you know that. Now where were you 2 nights ago?
Come on, Tracer. Let's have a drink and talk about the old times, Sam.
I've got a better idea. Why don't I take you downtown and let you sweat out under the lights?
Alright. I was home, I think. Sleeping. Yeah.
Your store's full of holes, I'm gonna beat it out of you.
I don't have time for this.
Get back here, damn it! That's a cul-de-sac.
Seems to be the case. I know you're not gonna pull that trigger.
Why would you say that?
I know you too well. Remember, we were best friends. Partners.
Whoa, we were partners!
You're not gonna kill me. I know you couldn't live with that kind of weight on your shoulders.
I know you did it.
Alright, I did do it. But how?
I'll tell you.
You had some extra time and cash on your hands, so you went and saw a show. And there she was, Betty Jo. Isn't it funny how she looks exactly like her wife? So you liked her. And you went and saw another show with her in it. And another, and another, and another. But that wasn't enough for you, huh? You followed her home for a couple nights. Then there was someone waiting for her, another man. And that's when it happened. You couldn't stand to see her with someone else. So you did the only thing you thought you could do. You killed her. You shot her so no one else could have her. Not even you.
That's how it happened, huh?
I guess you got me there. There's no way out except for jail, huh?
That seems to be the case.
Move out of the way, Tracer.
No!
I said move out of the way!
I said no!
Move or I'll shoot!
I never got over what I did that night. But as I looked into Don's eyes, I knew only one of us was leaving there alive, and the other in a body bag. I guess I was the lucky one, and in many ways Don was the lucky one. I was just playing the cards I was dealt. I still have yet to get a good night's sleep.